Menteri Ketenat Puli Putih ke Khuborjylla rakam sangma ula pentip haying dorbar balada ban kemi ki beriau ki badon keti ha ka Jinglait tu ki Jingkylli Mtet ha usnam arhajar khat khandai ya kani ula jubab halor ka Jingkylli bawanra do MLA ka dadangre ha ki kenta kli Jingkylli hene kasngi haying dorbar thau an ka jilla Menteri ula menjeru baka sarkar kan shimkhia ban pen makum kini ki jingja kinum jashu hadian habut.
Okay, now we move on to the next question, question number 56. Sri Rakhame Sangma, Minister in charge, to reply, please.
Speaker, sir. Reply to question number 56, sir. A, sir, yes. B, sir, 11 persons. C, sir, 14 persons have been arrested. D, sir, the program developer and employee of NEHU Impression Printing Press Gawati. E, sir, Tura Government College, Press College, Tura, sir.
Your supplementary question, please, Mr. Rupa.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I don't have much to ask in this question, as Honorable Minister in charge has already replied to all the questions on which I need information. But still, I want to make one clarification on this, rather a clarification. May I know from the Honorable Minister in charge the steps that have been initiated by the department that such incidents do not occur in future?
Sir, definitely, sir.